Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, in this video, we are going to see how to find EV charging stations on Google Maps, step-by-step navigation and filter guide. To find EV charging stations on Google Maps, simply tap the charging stations button on the home screen or search EV chargers near me. You can filter for a specific plug type, example CCS Type 2, and view real-time port availability, charging speeds, and user-submitted station photos. For the most optimized experience, customize your Maps app. Step 1. Set your vehicle profile. Go to your profile picture. Inside it, go to Settings. Then tap on Your Vehicles and select Electric as your engine type and add your specific plugs/adapters. Google Maps will then only display stations compatible with your car. Step 2. Find stations locally. Open the app and tap the charging stations shortcut just below the search bar on the Explore tab. And if you don't see it, scroll to the right, then tap More, and from there select Services, then tap on Charging Stations. Step 3. Plan a route with charging stops. Enter your destination and tap Directions. And once your route is generated, tap Add Stops, then go to Charging Stations to see compatible chargers en route. Step 4. Built-in EV systems. If your car has Google Maps built in, Maps will automatically calculate your battery usage for multiple stop trips and suggest the best charging locations to add to your journey. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.